So this is your sign to actually start your fitness journey. Fuck, I'm having such a bad hair day, but that's no excuse to postpone this video, which I have actually postponed for such a long time. So you might say that I don't have the time right now to actually work out, or that you are starting a new journey in your business, or you are learning some skill like coding, or you are just helping with your father's business. You don't have time right now, you may say, but just wait and think about it. This is the youngest you will ever be, meaning that I am, as of today, 18 years old, and tomorrow I will be a little bit older, and then day after tomorrow I will be much older. So, this moment right now, I am the youngest that I will ever be. So, don't you think that the earlier you start your fitness journey, the better it would be? Why? Because, of course, your bone density improves, is structured and improves the earlier you start your fitness journey. Your mind improves. You start to learn the importance of consistency and how to build something great which is far better than you know your little miserable self. So start now. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Yes, you could have started when you were in 11th class, but you couldn't because of the things. And but you can start now. Like, this was the one predicament I always was in, that if just I could start in 11th, then I would have around 3 years of progress in the gym. But I didn't at that time. I was too much of a fool to worry about unnecessary things like my deteriorating relationships, my addictions with anime, and just not doing anything purposeful with my life. Like, even now I try to do things which are somewhat not very helpful to the world, but they are helpful in certain small ways. Like, for example, I am learning boxing, which means that someday, just someday, maybe I will be able to help some lady who is in a bit of a situation, or I'm developing this physique, which means maybe, just maybe, someday I will be able to help someone who lift much heavier weights in the airport or any station. It's pretty common than you think. And I'm learning, which means that someday I will be able to impart this knowledge which I am gaining to you guys, or to anyone, just anyone. Maybe someday I will have a mentee who will gain my knowledge, and thus in a small way I will be able to deliver it. So the small things matter. You should start your fitness journey. Let me tell you my story. Like, I was pretty fat when I was in 8th grade, and right now, since my 8th grade, around 5 years have passed. I am not really muscular. I weight around 69 to 70 kgs, but I have done pretty good. Like, for my first 1 or 2 years, I just lost the weight, and that was pretty easy. Like, I just needed to consume less food and do a lot of walking. That was pretty simple. Then in my 11th class, as my 11th class ended, I started working out at home. For around 8 months I did that, and then I started going to the gym. So for around 1.5 years I had gone to the gym, and I'm still going to the gym, by the way. I started to pick up boxing. Why? Because everyone says online that it's helpful that you know how to fight. So I obviously am a fool, and I like to take knowledge from whoever who gives me. And if I see them as a source of authority, which I saw, and yeah, so I started boxing. So these are the 2 or 3 things which I do. I regularly try to stretch, and yeah, so this is my journey. It's not perfect, it never will be perfect. Don't even try to make it perfect. Your imperfections are the things which make you beautiful. Many people have this fallacy of the perfect situation. They think that, oh, when I've gotten this job, or when I score this much marks, or when I get into college, they think that there would be some kind of perfect conditions for them to start, which never will. Like, you also know that the reality, well, in reality, starting is the perfect condition. You don't know what the obstacles will be, but if you start, you will eventually face them, and you might even overcome them. So I have tried my very best to actually tell you the importance of starting now. Now let's fuck my hair. So now let's discuss that what should you actually start your fitness journey with. Like it can be many things like rock climbing, calisthenics, weightlifting, or just simply walking, or even MMA. Like there are many things. Or you are much more interested in playing sports like football for your fitness. So what should you pick? What's the one thing which you should start? So that answer is something which I can't give you, because it's different for every other individual. Like for me, I really like gym. I really love the gym. It's the one thing which I held closest to my heart. It's the weights in the gym. So that's something for me. Boxing I picked up, which is for me individually. I don't know what will help you. So all I can say is that you should start to experiment with a lot of things. Like if you are fat right now, which you can be, then just start walking. Maybe you won't like it, or maybe you would. Like some people don't like walking, but I actually like it. I love to listen to podcasts or just to think about random things while walking. So that's one thing which I like. Maybe you would, maybe you wouldn't. We should have a scientist's approach or mindset in life. Like for example, maybe you start weightlifting but you don't like it because it's kind of boring and it's routine work, and then you are individual and there is no one to support you and blah blah blah. But then you start a physical sport like football and you really love it because it's a whole team play, and you get to have a good social life through it, and there are much more benefits, like you can play competitive. So maybe you would love that. So the fuck, how much times would I even uh, put my hand on my face? It's embarrassing, you know. So this is my point. Try to have an experiment mindset, which means just try a bunch of things. Try rock climbing, it may be fun for you, and see that if it sticks with you or not. If it doesn't, then don't worry, you can do anything else. There are 100 different ways to be fit in life. You might even like yoga. Like in India, yoga is very popular. Maybe you would love it, or maybe you wouldn't. So that's on you. Just try a bunch of things and then pick one or two or even three and then do them every week. It's just that simple. Dedicate 5 to 6 hours or even more, like minimum 5 to 6 hours every week to these activities, these physical pursuits which you want to dedicate towards your health. Yeah, that's one thing which I wanted to get out of my chest, because I think that the one thing which has helped me the most, which has increased my self-esteem the most, is fitness. And I wanted to tell or explain that how you can start to just start. Every day won't be perfect, you will miss a lot of days, but that's the point. You are here to live a human life, not a perfect life. You need to be humane, not perfect. So not every day would be perfect, but a beautiful life is comprised of many imperfect moments which internally make the perfect outcomes. Bye bye.